Welcome back. Today's reflection speaks of the gift of reconnecting with those we love. While the big book specifically mentions children, the message is universal. Healing relationships and opening our hearts brings profound joy. In today's meditation, we'll focus on connection repair and the quiet miracles of reconciling with some of the most important people in our lives. Let's ground ourselves in the present moment. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Feel the rise and fall of your chest. Feel the steady support beneath you. Feel the gentle rhythm of your body. Bring to mind someone in your life you wish to connect with. Or simply imagine a heart you want to reach out to. This could be a family member, a friend, if you're struggling to bring someone to mind, this could even be a version of yourself in the past or the future. With each inhale, imagine drawing warmth and compassion into your heart. With each exhale, release tension. Inhale warmth. Exhale fear or guilt that might block that connection. Picture a gentle light extending from your heart towards this person. This light is soft and unconditional. Visualize this person receiving the light. Not necessarily perfectly, not necessarily immediately. But they receive this light in their own way. In their own time. Notice the peace that comes from simply sending this intention. Now imagine receiving something back. A small sign of understanding, maybe love or gratitude. It might be something small, like a smile or a kind word, or even just a feeling of acceptance. Allow that warmth to fill your chest. Let that warmth spread up into your shoulders and then fill your whole body. Silently repeat to yourself, "May I connect with love." May I receive and give kindness. May healing flow between us. Stay here in this moment, breathing in the sense of mutual care and subtle joy, allowing this to expand with every breath. Bring your awareness back to your body and notice any sensations of warmth, openness, or calm. Think about the small steps you can take today to nurture connection. Perhaps a kind word, a note, a gesture, or simply an intention to be present. The smallest effort can be enough. Remain exactly where you are, calm and present, while we move to the reflection. Today's reading reminds me that relationships can be restored over time, sometimes with miraculous results. Even a small gesture, a card, a note, a phone call, can be a bridge to healing. For those of us without children, this can apply to any relationship where love and trust need repair. Friend, siblings, parents, or even reconnecting with ourselves. Recovery shows us that when we open our hearts and act with honesty and compassion, progress comes, not always immediately, but often in ways we never expect. Maybe today, consider, where can I reach out with a small act of care or reconciliation? How can I celebrate the subtle joys of connection and healing, even if it's just within myself?